In this video, you'll learn how to transfer USDT from KuCoin to Binance. By following these steps, you will successfully move your funds between these two cryptocurrency exchanges. Begin by navigating to the KuCoin website in your preferred web browser. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this process requires several online interactions. Once you are on the KuCoin homepage, locate and click on the Assets tab. This option is typically found in the main navigation menu at the top of the page. After selecting Assets, a new screen will appear displaying your account balances. Next, look for the Funding option within the Assets menu. Clicking on Funding will direct you to a section where you can manage your cryptocurrency holdings. Here, you will find a list of all your available assets. After that, you will see the Withdraw button. Click on this button to begin the withdrawal process. This action will take you to a new page where you can initiate the transfer of your USDT. On the withdrawal page, there will be a section labeled Select Coin. Click on this option to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select from various coins. Now, click on USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. This selection will confirm that you intend to withdraw USDT specifically. Once you select it, you will be prompted to enter the wallet address for the transfer. In the wallet address field, type in your Binance wallet address. It is crucial to ensure that this address is accurate, as sending funds to an incorrect address may result in a permanent loss of your cryptocurrency. Next, you will need to click on Select Network. This option allows you to choose the blockchain network you want to use for the transfer. A list of available networks will be displayed. Click on TRC20 as your network choice. This is a common network for transferring USDT, and selecting it will ensure that the transfer is processed correctly. Once you have selected the TRC20 network, look for the Submit button. Clicking this button will finalize your withdrawal request. A confirmation screen may appear, indicating that your request has been received. Keep in mind that the time it takes for the transfer to complete can vary based on network congestion and your internet speed. Additionally, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your KuCoin account to cover any applicable withdrawal fees. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.